Good afternoon, everybody. We're here at a detached farmhouse about 3 or 4 minutes from the large town of Lousã, not very far from Miranda de Corvo in the district of Coimbra. What I'm going to show you today is a 3, possibly 4 bedroom property that's in need of work but is in a fantastic location, as you can see. Okay, we'll start a little bit on the outside and then we'll go inside. Here, obviously you can see the property does need a lot of work. It's not been lived in for some years. This is actually a cistern, water cistern, that was used as a swimming pool at one time. We're in the forest, or close to the forest, and I'll pan around here. You can see a little gate in the distance. That denotes the limits of the property. Okay, here, this is the property from the rear. And let's go inside. Okay, through the back door, we come into a corridor, and we're going to turn left first. You can see, sorry, this property has not been lived in for quite a while, so please, you'll have to excuse some of the cobwebs, etc. Good sized kitchen diner. Property has mains water, mains electric, and I think in here they were using a wood burner, as you can see. Okay, back out of the kitchen diner, on we go, and we go into what is the bathroom with bath, WC, basin. I think what looks to have gone on the wall before was a water heater. That's been removed. Floor is in ceramics. And there is a little storage room off the bathroom that you can see here, that's housing the lawnmower for the time being. Okay, so turn around into what I would describe as a little ante-room that could be a bedroom. And on we go. Once again, same size room. I would say 3 by 3.5 meters. Ceramic floor tile in reasonable condition. Now we get to the. I'm going to show you the photograph of the property, how it was back in the day. There you can see, really nice property. About 300 metres to the next neighbour at the top of the country lane. Okay, we have a door here that gives access to what you class as the front of the property. We've not got that key today, but that will take you out there. To the right, bedroom. Once again, about 3 by 3 meters, that is. Floor in good condition. Out we come, back down the corridor, turn left, and another bedroom, about the same size as what you've just seen. Floor here is in cement, but plenty big enough for a double bed. The end of the corridor these look like original doors, leads to the outside. They're locked at the moment. Okay, on my right, what is the biggest of the bedrooms? This is a real, double the size of what you've just seen. Floor in ceramics, and we have wooden ceiling, looks to be in good condition. So you can see this is a quite a substantial property that obviously needs a lot of work. But location is everything, as they say, and it's true. Okay, so on we go. Back out into the corridor, turn left. And left again. We're going to go back to what is the bathroom on the left and the kitchen diner on the right. So in the kitchen we'll go up this step and come into a little hallway stroke storage area that leads to what I would say is the lounge. This has a wooden ceiling, wooden floor. The floor looks original. Two windows. Just show you this one. There you go. Those are the views of a nearby village. I'll come round, go across. Here, a pair of double doors that take you to the front terrace. Okay, come round again. And let's go now outside. So as you can see, quite a big property. There are two storage rooms underneath that I can't show you today, and also a garage. We'll pass the garage very soon. So out we go. I've asked the sellers to come and clean the garden up. It's in need of it now. We're getting brambles, which is not good, but that can be taken care of. So that, I think, is the outside wall of the bathroom. Down the path, and you remember me telling you about the door to the outside from the corridor, and there it is. Pan round, show you. Oh wow, that tree's full of what looks like clementines or tangerines. Very quiet. Real peaceful area. So down we go again, past the garage that I can't get in today. That's located near the front gates here. Okay, so I'll go through the front gates soon. Before I do that, let me show you the place from this elevation. That's the terrace you can see now, just to the right of the property on the first floor. Those two double doors go into what is the lounge. Okay, through the gates, and I'm parked here at the front, so there's plenty of space, 3, 4, 5 vehicles here, and that's the track coming in. You can see in the distance the nearest neighbour, about 300 metres away. Okay, so there you have it. It's up for sale for 175,000, negotiable. If you're interested, you can call us on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the email address at the end of the video. Thank you.